Hi everybody, I'm Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I wanted to share with you today the March Stamp Club. I love this project kit. It uses the Friends Are Like Seashells bundle to make a beautiful set of 4 cards along with a case to store your cards. Now the supplies that will be included will be pre-cut, however there will be some pieces that you will need to stamp and cut before you can complete your projects. So inside this case here, you'll have a little pocket to put like some stamps or something in there, as well as a pocket to keep your 4 cards and your 4 envelopes, which will be included. The cards, you will actually make 2 cards of 2 different designs. This is one of the cards right here, and it uses the really pretty embossing folder, which I'll show you that in just a moment. And same here, it also too uses the really pretty embossing folder and the sand and use the Sand and Sea Designer Series paper. And I'm going to show you the inside of this card as well, that I think is really pretty. So as I said, it uses the Friends Are Like Seashells bundle, which you will definitely want to own in order to complete the projects. It includes the stamp set as well as the dies. Now the dies for the bundle are kind of unique in the fact that one of the dies is a really large die that cuts out several images at once. Now you can also too just stamp on a smaller piece that's about the size of the image if you want to do a single seashell, and then just stamp it and then run it through your die cut here. So you'll also too want to own the Misty Moonlight and ink pad, as well as the Blushing Bride ink pad to complete the project as I did them. Now the cost of the Stamp Club is $20 if you live locally and want to pick it up. If you want to have it shipped to you, there's an extra $5 fee to cover that, so it would be $25 if you need the project kit mailed to you. If you want, you can also too get the Stamp Club project kit for free with an order of $25 or more in my online store. There is a very specific host code though that you need to use in order to get the project kit free, and that is in the registration link. So make sure you look at that in the registration link and use that particular host code when you're placing your order. If you would like your free project kit mailed to you, there is a $5 fee to cover the cost of the postage. Also too, between now and February 28th, you can also too, if you increase your order to $50, you can get a level 1 celebration item. Now celebration does end on February 28th, so you want to make sure register for the Stamp Club and then get your order in by February 28th so you can get that free level 1 celebration item and the free Stamp Club kit. Another thing that I highly recommend that you add to your order is the Seashells embossing folder. It is so beautiful. Now I will be able to emboss some of the pieces for you, but I can't emboss all of them, particularly those that you need to stamp and cut beforehand. So I highly recommend you adding this to your order so that you can add a little bit more dimension to your project. And I kind of want to show you what that looks like. So on the case, I stamped the image and then I die cut it out, and then I ran it through the embossing folder, and hopefully you can pick up some of that beveling and stuff and that real pretty 3D look there on that Nautilus shell here. So if you do buy the bundle and the embossing folder, that will get you at least a $60 order. So not only will you get the Stamp Club kit for free, you'll also too get a free celebration item if you order by February 28th. And also too, I will send you a free package of the Opal Rounds when your order is at least $60 using the host code in the registration link. I wanted to share with you what the projects look like when you use the Opal Rounds. Now they are not included in the project kit because when you put them on and you try to put them back in the pocket, they don't quite fit. But I think they're good to add on like right before you send the card to somebody. But I wanted to show you what they look like without and what they look like with the Opal Rounds. So these are the 2 cards without the Opal Rounds. But when you add the Opal Rounds, they just look like little pretty droplets of water. and they just give such a really pretty, subtle look to the card and just take it to a whole different level. So guys, I would love to be able to make one of these project kits for you. So to be able to register, just sign up in the registration link below. Registration does end on March 6th. So make sure you get your registration in, and don't forget, if you want the Stamp Club kit for free and you want to get that celebration item with $50 order, make sure you order by February 28th. So guys, reach out to me if you have any questions. Otherwise, we will see you later. Bye guys.